Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe. It's a lot easier than trying to buy the right train ticket from a German ticket machine. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started. Question number 221. What should you do? Slow down. True. Due to the speed and distance to the traffic light, safe braking is possible. Question number 222. What is the right course of action now? I wait at the stop line for the next set of green lights. False. The light is out of order. I drive through the junction quickly because yellow is displayed. False. Speeding is not advisable in this scenario. I allow any cross-traffic the right of way. True. Priority must be given to cross-traffic due to the light being out of order. Question number 223. Under what circumstances may you cross a junction during a red light? Under no circumstances. False. There are specific exceptions. To carefully afford space to an emergency vehicle with a blue flashing light and siren sounding. True. Make room for emergency vehicles if safe to do so. If there is a police officer on the junction directing traffic. True. Follow the police officer's instructions in this case. Question number 224. You now want to turn right at these traffic lights with a green arrow sign. What is the right course of action? I ensure that other road users are not impeded. True. It's important to consider the safety of other road users. Without stopping, I take the turn at walking speed. False. Always stop and check before turning. I initially halt at the stop line. True. Stop at the line, then proceed if safe. Question number 225. What is the rule at this traffic light controlled junction with additional signage? Cyclists are permitted to turn right, even when the light is showing red. True. The green arrow sign allows cyclists to turn. Motor vehicles are permitted to turn right, even when the light is showing red. False. The sign applies only to cyclists. Cyclists must turn right. False. Cyclists have the option, but are not obliged to turn. Question number 226. You want to turn left and the lights are green. On your left, there is a tram wanting to proceed straight ahead. What is correct? The tram must wait. False. Trams usually have the right of way. You must come to an agreement since there are no rules for this. False. Rules dictate yielding to the tram. You must wait. True. You need to yield to the tram. Question number 227. You have taken the right lane by mistake, although you want to turn left. How are you allowed to proceed? To the left, when the traffic lights are green. False. Not allowed due to lane signals. Straight ahead. True. Follow the direction indicated by your lane. To the right. True. Right turn is permitted from your lane. Question number 228. You hear a siren. Which questions must you ask yourself? Where is the emergency vehicle coming from? True. Determine the emergency vehicle's location. Could I obstruct the emergency vehicle? True. Ensure you're not blocking its path. Is this vehicle allowed to use a siren at all? False. Not relevant in most emergency situations. Question number 229. What can a flashing amber light on a vehicle be a warning for? For a large transport proceeding at low speed. True. Indicates slow-moving or oversized transport. For dangers at roadworks or the scene of an accident. True. Warns of potential hazards ahead. For an exceptionally wide vehicle. True. signals an unusually wide load. Question number 230. What does it mean when the flashing blue light of a vehicle is switched on, but not the siren? A breakdown vehicle is on duty and on its way to its destination. False. Blue light indicates emergency services, not breakdown services. Warning of an accident or other dangers. True. Indicates an emergency situation. Warning of fire brigade in action. True. Used by emergency vehicles, including fire services. Question number 231. What can a flashing blue light, without siren, mean? The vehicle is on duty. You should give way. True. Indicates the vehicle is on an official duty. Advance warning of a closed convoy. True. Used for convoy warnings. Without a siren, a flashing blue light does not mean anything. False. Blue light always has a specific meaning. Question number 232. You are being followed by an ambulance with its blue lights flashing and siren sounding. What should you do? I make way immediately once the traffic light has turned green. False. Waiting for a green light is not necessary in this emergency. I move out of the way immediately without endangering others. True. The priority is to safely clear the path for the ambulance. I prompt the driver of the vehicle beside me to make way. False. Directing other drivers is not your responsibility.